by storm. They have been enchanting audiences countrywide with their mesmerizing performances and unforgettable hits. Their music has touched millions. Their songs have become anthems, resonating with people from all walks of life. Their electrifying presence has left audiences in awe. Ladies and gentlemen, Kataleya and Kandle.
Hi everyone, this is Kataleya, a young, passionate, talented girl, sage, and a heroine.
Kandle is a humble, passionate Ugandan musician, very pretty. Hey.
I come from a musical family. The name Kataleya, I got it from my mom, other Kataleya. I've loved music since I was young. I was an active student at school. Actually, I was one of the entertainment prefects at school.
Starting my musical career, I got my name Kandle from someone very special in my life. My father gave it to me. Because I come from a musical background, my whole family from my father's side is in the music industry. Most of them are in Church of Uganda. I started singing when I was a very young girl. I remember showing it to my nursery. And I got to relative. I used to sing in the choir with my aunties, my uncles. And I didn't have a choice really, because it's all we used to do at home. I've always known Yabwe really. I've always known I'm special. I've always known I'm that girl, and I'm gonna even get there. But to be honest, I didn't know it was going to be this big. I didn't know people would know us. I didn't know people would sing to our music, dance to our music. I didn't know I would walk and people would say, "It's gonna sing Kandle." And then we met. It was like a big love of my entire life. But I met her on her birthday.
It was 19 December. I'll never forget that. All the time, you know that it's my birthday, the anniversary of Kataleya and Kandle. I think we should start celebrating it.
We met through a mutual friend called Sandra. So she told me about her. I was down with Kataleya Manange, Wakabin, you guys will. I think you'll like her when you meet her, you'll match her energy.
Kataleya organized a party. She brought some friends, so I also called Kandle to go with. So when we reached there, we all became connected. I got connected to her friends, she got connected to her. And then from there, we became close. We kept on talking until the music thing was brought up.
But that day was so special because I was seated here and she was seated here. But like we're connecting.
And I'm a very reserved person. So I think I needed that light in my life. I've learned so much from her. I've loosened up a bit, so much I think. I used to be so quiet. I used not to have friends. But yeah, when I met her, things changed.
I don't know. Sometimes it's hard, like they say, girls being friends, girls working out as a duo. But when I come back, before this whole thing, we are friends, that we're together, that we had things in common. If we're not working on music, if we're not working on fashion, so it was really easy for us, me and Kandle, to be friends. To one way we tell you to run to be okay, if there is any man who would separate us, not be together, we still have a long journey to go. I have only giving good vibes.
But their journey to stardom hasn't been an overnight success. It's been 2 years of relentless dedication, perseverance, and an unshakable belief in their talent.
So, seeing Kataleya and Kandle, they don't know the other side of us, what we went through, but bingi betuyiseemu ngaffe abantu, but just because tetwagala kubiba kuba maaso. Yeah. We can see here, we always post, but we never to Puma. But to Puma,
me, when I was starting my music career, driving the car, there's only an album, and that's in my heart, the advice that I have to bleed because I'm not pretty. Just the job for a music industry, but look at me now. Very pretty. People to go away and didn't have the first we tried. It was a good people blessed me, and things didn't work out with the light in my heart. But you need to believe in yourself over here. Now I am I am so proud of that.
So when you see Kataleya and Kandle coming out, looking good, we are protecting our brand. Because we know we wouldn't want to go back. We wouldn't want to go. But because it was a lot, it was a lot.
Don't cry. Don't cry.
We started the journey with their music in 2020.
It was not easy before. We struggled with music for so many years, doing so many things and facing a lot of people, funny people, but finally we got people who believed in our craft. I feel like management is doing the hardest part. That is promotion, pushing the brand Kataleya and Kandle. It was hard for us because we tried doing it on our own, Ghana, and it is much easier with management.
Before that, we had our outside hustle. We were selling clothes, and when people see us, they touch our garment. Kataleya.
Batembeyi.
Oh yeah. So, tutandika tunda engoye, sente zaffe zisoose, choose 100K. We go to studio, recorded a song. We started looking for management. Our first management, Jenvude, the Nigerian. We were so excited because everyone would want to listen and
they were very organized.
Yeah.
They had a studio. I've been to so many studios. I've been to a studio that looks like that. Producers, our reception, but they were doing totally different things.
But one thing I told myself, the moment I leave this place, oh God, I'll be patient till I learn.
They wanted to human traffic. Human traffic never told anyone about this because the money is okay, I don't know.
But we feel like we have to talk about it right now so that maybe there are people who are going to do this, but they can't open up. So, as Kataleya and Kandle, we have decided to come out and say, guys, be so careful. The girls out there, you should be so careful. By the way, the good thing, yes, the good thing, nothing happened to us.
Yeah.
So the second management we got, someone called us in the mall, in an open place.
He told us to sing for him. We sang, we didn't have a choice, but people need to know I want to people they go through a lot that they don't talk about.
I'll never forget, there is one day, it was I think our third time of Uganda to Gezeko. So we went to this producer, the best producer, but for now I'm like, guys, I'll never forget that day. There is a place where Twali but guys, we had kind of sumuka.
So we're trying to get management, no one will return you in this one. Big up to you. Thank you so much for the support. Yeah, because what comes to them, but it's not kind of one week. The 200. Back at 2 times, never control. That's what much 1 weekend. The 200 can have put money with them. Now, Tema, Atena for us, and you can come at Zina versus Latinate chorus. He told us to give up. It's going to work out. I've not seen something like this in a very long time. And trust me, something good is going to come out of this. Producer. Like someone who is trending. So at that time, listen here.
There's a friend of mine called me for some plans. There are plans that I need to meet because he was heading somewhere and he called me, so that he was like, let me pass by. So that journey, and we talked for like an hour, and then the next day I brought Kataleya and Kandle. First of all, people to connect with me, first being in the same line with me. For example, I'm a funny guy. I like happy people as well, and they were so stupid as me.
So need to be in a kind of a family. Number one example, of course, as a producer, you can tell you have like something inside you, something special. Yeah, how many times I want you to write for us a song and produce for us that song. Katika manire proud of the Gambia. It was a way of fair or reduce my Rudeko. I was at campus and I was playing my tuition. Ninga makasukendi muzemi, so that's the physical mania music to funding music. Now the same because the mentality of family I'm sure we didn't have that one.
Yeah, being that Nassim is a good producer that everyone would want to work with. And if it was again, that would be so excited because we wanted to work with the best producer, like, at the moment.
So they were to deposit to work on the song, but they had no money. So they had to come back again, but they did not come back. So after they went, so after I wanted to talk to Clever Music, he told me no, they want artists, but we wanted artists who are known, like for us to start from there and gain some money.
So Nassim yalanga to struggling natugamba waliwo management mpya but balina audition they're looking for artists, so you can go and give it a try. Nemulaba tomanya mukama ezo bakola tugamba so let's give it a try. Together, the together pair on wheels.
Gwe wenna nga wandyetaaze okwata omukolo gwo nga okwanjula, embaga, amazaalibwa, baby shower, kuhinjira n'ebirala bingi, nkwanjulira Glosh TV bakafulu b'okuba ebifaananyi n'okwata video, era nga wandyetaaze okulanga wamu ne Glosh TV kuba ku namba y'essimu eno noti 75 noti 31 283 tweyunire oleme kwejjusa.